Hey guys, I'm Ryna and welcome to GRE Fridays. Today I'll be talking about prime numbers and I'm going to do a GRE practice question that's about prime numbers. If you want to follow along with me, the question I got from this book on page 47, it's question number 9. Let's get started. First, let's define the term integer. An integer is any whole number, positive, negative, and 0. Some examples are 2, 100, negative 48, etc. A prime number is a positive integer with only 2 factors, 1 and itself. For example, the number 3. Its only 2 factors are 3 and 1. Now that we have this definition, let me ask you what number is the first or smallest prime number? You might want to say it's 1, but let's remember that the number 1 only has a single factor, 1. Thus, it doesn't fit our definition of prime numbers. The first prime number must be 2. Let's also take a look at a negative number to understand why negative numbers are not prime. If we take the number negative 3, when we think about possible factors of negative 3, we get negative 3 times 1 or 3 times negative 1. So right there we can see it has 4 factors and not just 2. Now that we understand what a prime number is, it's time to do a GRE problem that relies on our understanding of prime numbers. So this question says, which of the following integers cannot be expressed as the sum of 2 prime numbers? This is a great example of a problem where we use the process of elimination to answer it. Another way to think about it is instead of just coming up with answers of numbers that can be expressed as the sum of 2 prime numbers, we know it has to be one of these 5 numbers that we care about, so we're only going to think about these 5 numbers. And I'm just going to go through each of them and see if I can figure out 2 prime numbers that add up to that number. 8 comes first. Ignore the dog in the background. We can express 8 as 3 plus 5, the sum of 2 prime numbers. 9 can be expressed as 7 plus 2. Again, 2 prime numbers, perfect. 10 can be expressed as 7 plus 3. And 12 can be expressed as 7 plus 5. When it comes to 11, though, we don't have prime numbers that we can use, 2 prime numbers that we can use to get to 11. And let's look at all the ways that you could add numbers to get to 11. We could do 10 plus 1. Neither of those are prime. 9 plus 2, 1 prime number. 8 plus 3, again, just 1 prime number. 7 plus 4, 1 prime. And 6 plus 5, 1 prime. So D is our answer. Thanks for watching. If you have a burning GRE question that you'd love someone to cover, tell me about it in the comments and I will make a video about it.